Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again with another video. So it's currently Saturday, March 29th, 2025, 1:16 p.m. So I'm gonna give you guys a trading recap for the week, tell you everything that happened in the week, the good, the bad, and let's get straight into it. So before we even start, let me go on the trading tracker. Let's go to March. So as you can tell, we took a trade this Monday. Monday we took a trade, we lost, but I'm gonna break that trade down and why I took it. And then Thursday there's a potential trade. I'm gonna talk about what happened, why I didn't take it. Anyways, let's get to it. So a lot of shenanigans this week. A lot of shenanigans again. You know, the markets just be doing whatever they want at this point. I don't care no more. Anyways, I'm just flowing with it. I'm still trying to understand what the markets are doing because new president and all that, and the market conditions right now are they're slowing down. They're stabilizing now more and more, but they're still very volatile and they do a lot of crazy things. Like they're not respecting the pullbacks. Like is break, retest, then pullback exactly here, but with the wick, so it continue up. I don't know, but I'm paying attention to how I have trading tracker, so I'm understanding. Okay, there's a potential trade. Why did I not take it? Oh, I took this trade. Okay, I can look back and see, okay, why did I take this trade? Oh, okay, that's why I took it. Oh, let me go on gold and silver. Oh, let me see both of them. So let's go to gold. And obviously gold is just pushing. Like, just when I think gold is going to start reversing and pushing the downside, it just pushed more and more. At this point, I should just buy gold and just let it go. I really should. I should just buy here or something and just let gold flow. I should do that. But anyways, I'm not going to do that. That's stupid. Let's go. Monday, coming into the market, we are bullish on a weekly, daily. We are also bullish, but we could have a little pullback to retest this area right here and then continue to the upside. So coming to the market, I was looking to buy, right? 4 hour is bearish though. So as you can tell, 4 hours is bearish. Last week, I don't know if you watched the previous weekly recap, I made this thing right here where I predicted this. I said, look, boom, 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 break, retest, sell down here. That's what I was expecting. And you can check out the last video and see I actually did this pattern. Beautiful head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break, retest, continue to the downside. So coming to the market, I'm looking to sell, right? I know I said bullish earlier. But yeah, daily and weekly are bullish, but 4 hour is bearish. And it's telling me, hey, I'm looking to sell. And plus, on the daily, we need to pull back to this here, but we don't need to. The price usually pulls back, retests an area, and it continues to the upside. So we're bearish on a 4 hour, bearish on a 1 hour, bearish on a 30 minute, bearish on a 15 minute. So at this point, I was looking to sell. Now, I did say 4 hour and down is bearish. Daily and a weekly are bullish. So let's get into it. Coming to the market on Monday, right? I see prices just pushing up. Obviously, I had this big push to the downside, which is why I was looking to sell. But price is pushing to the upside. So now I'm telling myself, okay, cool. It just makes more sense to buy because the daily and weekly are bullish. 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour is bearish, 30 minutes is bearish, 50 minutes is bullish now. What 30 minute is okay. Every other time frame is still bearish, but it's pushing to the upside, it's retracing up. And the daily is bullish, weekly is bullish. So I want to go with the higher trend. So coming to the market, I found a nice order block. Price had a big push. Look at this momentum right here. Big push, closed above here. Waited for the retest, which came back. Waited for the Morningstar pattern, which is right there. Rejecting EMA as well. Just beautiful trade overall. Like, this is the type of trade that I need, that I want, that I desire, that I'm looking for in the markets. So, take the trade right here. Put my stop loss below. And originally, I was targeting right here. But this is like one of my TPs for the week. So I was like, you know what? If price breaks past here, I'll probably do something like this, right? Break past here, retest it, and then just push to the upside. So I'm like, okay, cool. Might as well go for the long-term take profit. It just makes more sense. And then I took the trade. We were in profit for a little bit, and then it just reversed on me and took me out. Boom, 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 boom. Now, I took this trade on gold, but I also took this on silver because I was reading the same thing on silver. But silver was actually bullish when I came to the market. See, 15 minutes bullish because it broke above here. 30 minutes also bullish because it broke above. 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours bullish. So silver is bullish, daily is bearish, but I'm looking to buy overall, just the trend. And then I took it on silver. I wasn't looking to hold too long, just a quick trade. So I put $100 on this one and then 500 on this one. or 4 something on this one, $400 something. Obviously, it came and stopped me out. It stopped me out here, and I was a little mad because I'm like, okay, you wicked me out, and then you started pushing, but then obviously did this shenanigan right here and just big push to the downside. So overall, not really mad. It is what it is. I followed my trading plan with it. Found a good trade that was going with the trend. Found a good order block to buy from. Price gave me a Morningstar pattern to go with the trend. Took the trade, put my stop loss at a good level, put my take profit at a good level. It is what it is. It happens. You lose. It's just a part of markets, right? So guess what? You come to the market again, you do the same thing. Eventually, you're going to win. It is what it is. You have a system that's proven to win consistently. You are going to lose sometimes. It is what it is. But you can't change your strategy just because you lost. Like, you got to stick to it. Stay consistent with it. So, yeah, that happened. So we lost on gold and silver. So let's go back. There's not much to talk about on Tuesday. Tuesday, I was looking to buy. Literally, look at this. This is what I'm going to talk about. I found a good order block to buy from. Waited for the pullback. The pullback didn't happen. Well, it happened on gold. Silver, it didn't happen. Look at it. There you go. That's what I was thinking about. When I say something and it's like it doesn't show on the screen, it's because I'm thinking about, because I'm looking at gold and silver at the same time. So when I remember, like, okay, it didn't touch. When I say it didn't touch on silver. As you can tell right here, it didn't pull back to order block on silver. Gold, it did pull back. It pulled back on gold, but guess what? No clear Morningstar pattern. I guess you can use this pattern right here, but I need this 1, 2, 3. That's what I need. I need this 3 right here. I don't like the 4 shenanigans, whatever. So obviously pull back to this. I didn't take it. It just didn't make sense to me. Or also it's at like 8:15, so I'm not even on the chart really. But yeah, big push to the upside. Not on gold though, but on silver. On silver, big push to the upside. And as you can tell, this move that I was looking for on silver yesterday happened, but the move happened today. On Wednesday, the move that I was expecting on Monday happened on Tuesday, but didn't give the interest signal that Monday gave. So it is what it is. Coming to the market on Wednesday as well, we're looking to buy again. Market gave me a nice order block on a 30-minute. Honestly, I could have taken this one right here, but it is what it is. I came to the market at this time. Waited for the pullback later on, but then did the shenanigan right here, and then look at this big drop right here. Who could have? Where is it at? Oh, okay. Where's the drop at? Okay, it's gonna happen. Is it on gold? Okay, yeah. So, like I said, I was looking to buy, pull back to this order block. Didn't even tap it right here, so I didn't take the trade. And then tapped eventually, and then did the shenanigans. I was at work at this point. I didn't have my phone, so I didn't really care about it. Now, this is the potential trade right here. Now, let's go on silver. So I come to the market, right? I'm looking to buy. Price pushes to the upside. Found a good order block to do so. Price pushes from there. Hold up. Let me go back. No. That's not what happened. Bro. All right. So came to the market. First of all, I missed out on this trade because I was sleeping. I'll be completely honest with y'all. I slept in because it's the last week, technically, of March, right? Last week of quarter 1. So I haven't really taken a lot of trades. I was telling myself, okay, do I really want to take a trade Thursday and Friday? Because Monday I take a trade, I lost, right? Tuesday, no trade. Wednesday, no trade. Thursday, I'm like, okay. Rest of the week, do I really want to take a trade, end up losing? Or even if I win, it's like, okay, why did I put that capital at unnecessary risk? So I was like, you know what? It's all good. We ain't going to trade for Thursday and Friday. So Thursday, I didn't get up. Also, when I check my phone, because I check my phone often before I get up. That's not good. But it was doing this shenanigan right here. So I'm like, okay, whatever. But gold, as you can tell, I marked this area on gold for the pullback. Silver, I didn't mark it because when I was looking at it, price was right here. It just didn't make sense to me. Price was right here. So I was like, okay, whatever. Price pushed up, came back, gave a beautiful Morningstar pattern. Like, I can't ask for a better Morningstar pattern. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, candlestick pattern right here. Boom. Now, if I was on the chart, I would have taken it, but I would have went really low risk on it. And then as look at it, EMA rejection. This is a beautiful trade. And I was mad at myself for missing this trade, but I'm also glad because I followed my trading plan. I told myself I was not going to trade those last 2 days, and I didn't trade it. Also, this trade pushed up, came to this level, rejected, big drop off, but then just beautiful flow. So yeah, we missed out on a big move on this trade, but I'm also okay with it because I followed my trading plan. I was disciplined. And then get out of here. There's not much to talk about on Friday. Nothing happened. Like Friday, this is the big drop that I was talking about. So like, tap this order back, kept pushing to the upside, but then this big drop happened. I would not have seen this big drop happen. I would not have seen it coming. So it is what it is. Overall, this trading week was pretty good. I'm going to do a recap of March later on. We're going into April, quarter two, April, May, June. So I know that when I tested my strategy on last year's markets, there were some good opportunities during this time frame. So yeah, I'm going to be get up every single day on the chart, waiting for the right opportunities, take them, proper risk to reward, follow my trading plan. Also in April, I'm making a video every single day. So stay tuned for that, April 1st to April 30th. Every single day I'm making a video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, the magic you're looking for is no work you're avoiding. So just put that work in and you can do it. God bless you and God keep you safe.